So it's Brian and Christie, January 8th. Just giving a little update on our 2017 of Everything Challenge. As you can see, we're all bundled up, about to go outside for a run. We've both been ramping up our run mileage a little bit over the last couple weeks. So how's your 2017 of Everything Challenge going?
It's good. I feel like I took this weekend off.
Yesterday you didn't have too many reps.
I did 10 push-ups yesterday.
But you're still doing pretty good.
Yeah.
I
made sure to get in all of my burpees because if those pile up, I can't catch up.
Yeah, I'm a little bit behind on my burpees. I think I only did 50 yesterday, but everything else I'm on track, trying to get at least 65 a day, just so I don't get behind. My body's really sore. And we slept in this morning, or I slept in. I was supposed to go out, run early with the group, but that 3 p.m. coffee yesterday somehow kept me up way past midnight, so no coffee past noon for the rest of the week, rest of the month. It's a pretty good rule. Any other thoughts before we head out?
No, you should see outside. You can't even see off our balcony.
I don't know
whiteout conditions.
How well you can see, but yeah, we got a good amount of snow overnight. Should be a lot of fun to go out. Minus 10.
Feels like
then with the wind chill, like minus 20 or so. So yeah, some of my favorite running conditions. I'm sure a lot of other people wouldn't agree, but it's a lot of fun.
So I'm out about halfway through my run. It's quite cold, a little frosty on the beard, lots of traffic getting backed up at the lights, but one foot in front of the other. That's how you get to the finish line. So I'm just finishing up my run, about 13 kilometers. It's definitely one of the snowier runs I've ever had. Hopefully Christie's safe out there somewhere. She was gonna get a ride up to the university on the bus and then run back. So hopefully we're back here around the same time. I'm gonna finish this up, thaw out, maybe hit up the hot tub, and have a green smoothie. Yeah, it's the way to go from here.
Just waiting for the elevator. I'm literally melting.
This is not a drill.
I think this is the most frozen my beard's ever been. So it's over a week since we started the 2017 of Everything Challenge. So I thought I'd just do a little update, see how things are going after the end of week 1. Nothing bad from Christie. I've been trying to get my 65 of each in every single day, because I know if I get behind one day, it's going to be just struggling to catch up. I've been doing pretty good. I was behind burpees yesterday, but got back up today, and so far I'm on target. I'm really sore every time I do them. I'm going to pretty well my max.
I took been going 2 unintentional rest days.
So you got some catching up to do.
I got lots of catching up to do. But my strategy's a bit different. I do like between 65 and 100 reps each day. Because I do them...
Of certain things.
Yeah, I do them in usually sets of 5 or 10, and I do like all throughout the day, which makes it a little bit more manageable.
Yeah, I try to start my morning off with at least like 20 to 30 reps of each, and then throughout the day get another 10 to 20 reps of each one, kind of as I go, little breaks in the day, do some squats while waiting for the elevator, do some push-ups while waiting for toast to toast in the oven and stuff like that. So just fitting it in. All right, so
Bye.
That's it for this week. Check in again, probably be next week before we post another update. Cheers.